Basketball terms, take two.
Don't do this. I advise the other bigs not to double dribble. You know, it's like when you dribble the ball, pick it up, and then dribble it again. Or like dribble with both hands at the same time. I know it sounds weird, but it happens. Double dribble for me, 2 sauces on a chicken sandwich. Let's change things up a little bit. Let me show you. Of course you have your jalapeno ranch. You also have your buffalo sauce. What do you think would happen if you put both of them together on a sandwich? It's goodness. That's a double dribble right there. Teamwork, it's important. Everybody on the team works together to win the game, you know. But off the court, the deuce, made by Lee's and Henny Penny. You have your bread, then you have your chicken. You know what makes it special? It's made with the Henny Penny fryer. Your sauce, I'd prefer spicy sauce. Now we're gonna throw in the X factor, your macaroni and cheese. It sounds interesting, but trust me, it's really good. You have your fried pickles. Gotta put that on there. That's perfect teamwork right there. I think you should try it.